What is going on, y'all? It's Big Wes here. So today, first of my low quality videos, so let me know what you guys think. As well, I want to do something I really wanted to do for a long time, but due to circumstances such as funds and just finding these is not easy. You'll understand in a minute. But yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and so I'm just gonna do it today. So the thing I got today, a giant ass box of size 18 shoes. If you guys didn't know, you guys should by now. I'm Big Wes. I am 6'8", and I have size 18 feet. And finding shoes has always been a challenge. So yeah, today we're just going to look at these shoes that I got, look at where I got them and how much they were, and see if they fit. Because if you're like me, it's really hard to find shoes in stores in general. So the online option is basically all we got. So all my tall guys out there, you guys know what it is. It's a struggle. So I'm just gonna let you guys know the shoes I got, what you guys think, and yeah, you guys can just take it from there, do what you will with that information. All right, y'all, so I got the shoes right here, so I'm just gonna open them up, but before that, I'll tell you where I got them. So I just got them on Amazon.com. Took a long while. I just typed in size 18 shoes. Took a while to find something that looked okay, but these looked all right. And these were $116 and change. I'll put the direct link to these shoes in the description. But yeah, so let's get it going and open this up. All right, so I got this big ass box right here. And we're just gonna go and start tearing this open. Always a fun part, just like Christmas. Dash those. All right, so this is, from ProPay. I think that's how you pronounce them. So yeah, ProPay, extended sizes and widths. So maybe I'll be getting more shoes from these guys in the future, but I don't know. We're just gonna take a look now. Doesn't come much. So this is the big ol' size 18 shoe. It's got some Duro Cloud thing. Here, I'll just put this here and let you guys read that. Duro Cloud. Oh, it's probably backwards. I don't know if you guys want to flip this video, take a screenshot, read it, you can. I'm not gonna be doing that. But yeah, so here's the shoe. It's like a skate shoe. I don't know, here, I'll just go slowly around. You can see everything on it. I mean, there's nothing special. The main thing that has always been for me is as long as it fits. When you're wearing size 18, you don't really have much option. So you can't really be picky and be like, oh, I don't like that style. If it fits, you gotta wear it. So let's just try it on now and see how we do.
Alright guys, so here is me actually in the shoe, and like I said, these size 18s are big. I legitimately feel bad for the children in the sweatshop who probably had to make these. And as you can see, these bad boys are Velcro, no laces, so feeling like I'm in kindergarten again. And don't mind the tube socks. I know I'm looking like a composer coming out of the 1800s in my pantaloons, but I'm just chilling at the house being comfortable. Ultimately, these shoes are pretty good. I got these in a size a little too wide, but the length is great, so I'll definitely be exchanging these for another pair that fits a little better, but I actually really like these shoes.
All right, guys, so final thoughts on the shoes here. I like them. I like the design. It's whatever, it's a good shoe. These are actually a little too big. So not too big in the sense where my feet aren't coming to the front. That way it's good, but I was kind of cautious when I was buying them, and I went for the extra wide version. When you see on Amazon, they'll show all the different sizes, and then size 18 there's regular, wide, and double wide. So I decided to go wide, just to be safe. but these are actually really wide. So I'm actually going to return these and get the just narrower version. But other than that, I recommend it. So guys, if you're looking for size 18 shoes, these Pirouet, or what is it called? Propay? These Propay shoes, you can find them on Amazon.com, $116. I recommend it, it's good. I'm gonna, like I said, return these, get the narrower version. If you guys want to see me do another video, want to get those, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's what we're doing for now. So size 18 shoes, that's where I got them. If I find any more shoes, I will definitely let you guys know. And guys with big feet, if you know where to get big shoes, hit me up either on Instagram or in the comments here, Twitter, wherever you can get a hold of me. Let me know where you found the shoes. I will try and get a hold of them and review them if that sounds good to you. So that's what we're doing right now. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Share this with someone who has big feet. And, you know, like and subscribe, ring the bell. You don't want to miss all the new videos coming out. And I will be back soon. So thank you guys for watching. I will get some new shoes later, and we'll be out. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.